Introduction to cake decorating. Introduction. If you have never decorated a cake before, maybe you have never thought of it as an art. The cake decoration has a lot of things in common with the arts, including sculpture and design. If you are like many people, you probably think of cake decorating as something for your grandmother to do. But cake decorating is a well-respected sugar art. Cake decoration is highly admired as a culinary art. Most cakes are decorated in order to increase the aesthetic appeal of the cake and to provide a decorative flourish, but cakes are also decorated in order to complement or improve the taste and texture of the dessert. In most cases, cakes are decorated to improve the visual appeal of the cake. Many master decorators have elevated cake decorating to high edible art. Cake decorating can do a lot to improve the appeal and impression of any dessert that needs to be special for a special occasion. When it comes to the baking world, few things seem as impressive as being able to decorate a cake in the most elaborate of ways. Just search cake decorating on social media or online, and you'll find a ton of incredible images that show decorated cakes that seem almost too amazing and intricate to be real, but they are. Today, cakes like these are extremely popular, and it's hard to go to a birthday party, a wedding, or any big event without seeing an elaborate cake on display. Still, while this may seem like a relatively new trend, and it kind of is, cake decorating is something that has been happening for a long time, just in different ways. Cakes have been getting decorated for many years now. It's just that what has been done has changed, and it's pretty cool to look at the history of this baking artistry.